Well, hello everybody.
Brandon here.
We're working on the 440 Magnum rebuild,
and today is hydraulic lifter day.
so I've got the hydraulic lifters all disassembled, and we're reassembling them.
This one is the semi-clean but still dirty tray,
And this is the clean tray.
I reassemble out of that tray.
After which, we put the rebuilt lifters in here, which I will fill with oil to cover them.
The oil will go all down inside of the lifters.
Things you need as far as like tools go.
Really fine steel wool,
Pokey tools, I use one with a hook and then a straight one also.
some brake cleaner.
Some needle nose pliers and odd tools are nice to have, that'll help you.
There are 8 components. This is the main body.
This is the inner body,
The little check ball.
and the baby spring that goes with the check ball.
The big spring.
This cap,
The top.
and then your little clip that retains the entire assembly together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 components in this particular lifter. Right, so here we go. This is
How I
Reassemble.
lifters.
first thing you do is you get this little cup, right here, this little guy, and I use my little pokey curved hook to pick up the spring, because I mean it is like the ittiest bittiest baby spring that you'll ever see. Just fits inside there, and you pick up the check ball and set it there on the top. All right. Then you get your inner body of the valve lift or the hydraulic lifter, and you press that retention cap, well, I guess cup thing inside the body there, the inner body. So that's assembled. Then you get the main body. This is the main body of the lifter, and you get your big spring and just put it in there. You take the inner body and you put it inside there. Then you put the cap, the top of the lifter, in there. And there it is. So, in order to get that in, I just set it on there, and the back of it just falls inside the little lip, and then you use this to just set the fronts of the clips into place.
And that
Is how I reassemble the
Hydraulic lifters that I pull out of my engines. If the bottom is still flat, like if you check it against like a really, really flat milled edge,
then you can reuse them.
so I find no problem reusing these lifters.
because
They're flat. Give them a nice good cleaning and they work just fine.
Upon further inspection of this set of lifters, I found that although they were flat, they were pretty worn down. They were even pitted. I could take a fine tipped pin and really scrape along the bottom and feel the pits. So I will be getting new lifters for this rebuild.
Well, there's 16 to go and I got 3 done, so this is a really kind of monotonous, boring task. Not going to bore you with the rest of them, but that's how we do it. Bye-bye.